Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload your Next.js website on Vercel in just a few minutes. This is the easiest and fastest way to put your project online, completely free. First, we need to upload our Next.js project to GitHub. Once that's done, your project is now available on GitHub and ready for deployment. Next, go to vercel.com, log in with your GitHub account, and click on Add New Project. After a few seconds, your website is live. And that's it! Your Next.js website is now live on Vercel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.